Welcome back. Now, one thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to determine what kind of Kindle book you're going to write. You can click this link inside of the dashboard in order to determine that. And once you're at this page, you're going to want to click this link that says Kindle Create. You're then going to scroll down underneath the video, and you're going to look in this section. And what you're going to notice here is that there are three basic book types. If you're going to have a traditional book, which is primarily text, you're going to want to put your document together using a doc file or docx file, which is the Microsoft Word designation. If you're going to have a comic or graphic novel of some kind, then what you're going to use is a PDF file. That might mean that you're going to use Microsoft Word, then you're going to turn it into a PDF document before you bring it to Kindle. And if you're going to have a book with complex formatting, with lots of images, or in this case, perhaps audio, video, and lots of hyperlinks, then you're also going to use a PDF in order to bring that content into Kindle. And once again, that could mean that you're going to create the entire thing in Microsoft Word, but you're going to save it as a PDF so that you can bring it into Kindle for the formatting. Now, assuming that you have the basic manuscript of your book already in place, what we're going to need to do next is we're going to need the Kindle software in order to work with the document to get it ready for Kindle. If you have a Windows computer, you can download from here. If you have a Mac computer, you can download from here. And that is where we will start in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in that next video.